Alright, so I only got one hand doing this. You know, typical 3 in the morning thing. Take an Ambien, then say, what the hell, let's make some coffee. Yeah, whatever. Don't spend too much time on it. Alright. That's a aeropress filter. Alright. They give us this shitty coffee to go in this shitty coffee maker. But I have an aeropress filter that I wet and patted and poked down in there, ground my coffee. So my thought is, put coffee in here, slide this in there, and then put this fine vessel there and see what happens. What do you think? Am I onto something? Do I have a hack when I can't get hot water for the aeropress? We'll see. Hang on. A lot of this requires 2 hands to open that up, so I can't hold the phone. I'm not going to hold it in my mouth. I don't have a chest strap, whatever. Just put the phone down. I'm going to pour the coffee in here. A little grip. Yeah, we got some more in there. Let's see. That's a total estimation. I didn't bring a scale. I'll travel really light on this one. Won't do that again. Level it out. All right. Slide her in. I think I have water. Yes, I have water. All right. Get the vessel secure. See where she goes. Hit that button. Light comes on. Love this coffee grinder. I have the tall version of it. It's a little bit taller, holds more, but it don't make more. And this handle actually folds. Well, it takes 2 hands. You get the idea. Whatever. And I put it down. Okay, so you go like this. Oh shit, we got a mess. Look at that. We got a mess. Maybe too much coffee. Blowing out the top. Oh shit, Jesus Christ. Might have settled down. Yeah, we're gonna have a total fucking meltdown here. That's what we're having. It's not working too good. Oh yeah, look at that. Just messy as fuck. Yeah, oh god, she's burping now. At least this works, right? And that folds down. Isn't that sweet? I'm gonna move that out of the way. We're gonna watch this little shit show. Oh god, that doesn't look too good, does it? Lordy. We're almost done. Oh god, no. We got so much water to make mess with. What's going on here? Huh. Oh, I can see where this is going. I think I'll pull the plug on this situation and revisit it. Nope, that's pushing the button. There we go. Let's stop this silliness. Alright. I'm going to try a little experiment. Ground some more coffee. I think what's happening here in this particular situation with this particular fine coffee appliance, I'm going to plug it back in here. Yeah. What I see we got going here is, you know, it heats the water and turns it to steam, and it pressure blows down like that, right? So we don't want that doing that right now. I'm not ready to do that, so I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, come on. a mess to clean up. Anyway, so I like a clean lab. Guess that is stuck in on position there. I like a clean lab as best as possible. All right. On switch is on all the time. Don't press that to start because it starts when you plug it in. Right. So let's put some coffee in here. Okay. Now what I think I'm going to do is level that out and give this a try. I'm going to put another filter on top of it. What the hell? Kind of make a sandwich like they make the filters for this. It's just, it's all baggy. And we're going to slide that in there. Yeah, yeah. Are we onto something? Are we onto a bigger mess? Okay. We'll plug it in, i.e. turn it on. The lights on. Okay. Hit that button. See what happens. Oh my. Did we hack the system? No. It's spewing. Oh my. There we go. Well, we're getting a little something out of there. A little something to clean up, but you know, it could be grind, it could be volume, grind and volume. It's not nearly as bad as the other setup. Interesting. Yeah, we got a mess. That's alright. Something we can't fix. Nothing we can't fix with a hotel rag. Yeah, I think it's just pumping out and blowing over, and it's I gotta refine the grind. I can get a real coarse grind on this, I think. No, looks like we're doing some Turkish situation here. Little Turkish drip. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Oh Lord. Yeah. Let's move this mess a little closer to the electrical appliances so that, you know, just in case. You know, just in case. And we can do something. If it would fucking stop, I could try something. I don't know if it's going to stop here. Try that, and then go in here, control a little bit of this mess. Sorry, I wasn't watching the camera there. That's all you got. I filled that thing up. That's all you got? Oh, Lord. How did this turn out? Yeah, I think it's a grind thing, honestly. I think we can work with that. And get a real, it's really a fine grind. It's made for aeropress, so. Or, you know, I think I'm going to give it a try.